How to reduce photo size in KB. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your preferred browser and then search for imagecompressor.com. This is the one you would be looking for. Now simply upload your file here. Go to images, and as you can see, this is a 1.45 MB image, and after compressing, this is a 1 MB image. So as you can see, this is how it works. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.